Attention! There is flash photography throughout this video. Viewer discretion is advised.
Alrighty, come along with me as I meet up to do a cosplay photo shoot. Here with my amazing photographer friend Yoshi and her adorable cat Poppy.
Me down. Dance beams. Charge them for your dance. She's like, no. So, and then see if we can.
As you can see, this is the setup for today's photo shoot.
It's like, I like her. I'm a little nervous. I like her. That's better. Oh, I'm like, all of a sudden my brain's like, what are you missing? That makes me nervous. It's like, duh, your gloves, dum dum. Your gloves. Sorry.
Time to do TikToks.
Oh, that was a good transition. Yoshi, you gotta come see this. Yeah, no, that's perfect. That's the one. That's the one. That's the one. That's the money shot. Fighting for my life. Oh shit. You're fine. Okay, this is chaperone. I made Jasmine fall in love with her. Did she say Hottotto? Oh! She does. She does. Look at the door. How cute. She's so fucking dramatic. She's like, oh. The end. She's like, why am I not taking my photos? Oh my gosh, she's a good. I'm trying to make my. It's beautiful. I love the angle and everything. I'm just like, wait, hold on. Like, gotta be clever. Gotta be like one. Okay, I think I got it. fine. You
Yes.
Grace.
I still love that so much. I love the curvature of the freaking corset vest. Makes me so happy.
So
Just some things.
Especially this right here.
Let me get a photo of that. Hold on. So, because my mom, I know her. She's gonna be like, what did you shoot? What did you?